Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated and backed up. This prevents unexpected behavior. Once done, go straight into Settings, tap Focus, and either choose the focus you need or press plus to create one. Make initial choices now, allowed people, allowed apps, so you have the skeleton in place. If you want the same behavior on other devices, enable share across devices, otherwise leave it off. This gets you into the action quickly, not stuck on setup details. Now you refine how and when the focus activates. You will add an automation. Pick schedule, location, or app trigger, time for sleep, place for work, or an app that opens. Once set, customize home and lock screen behaviors so distracting apps are hidden and critical widgets remain. Then tighten allowed notifications. Remove any app or person you don't need. Also apply focus filters. This is how you limit mail, messages, Safari tabs, and third-party apps to the exact view you require. Finish by testing. Activate the focus manually, then trigger it through your schedule, location, or app to verify behavior. Make sure notifications are blocked and allowed items still come through. If something fails, toggle the focus off and on, reboot the phone, and confirm iOS is current and share across devices status is correct. Should problems persist, reset that individual focus or delete and recreate it. This clears hidden misconfigurations and usually fixes stubborn sync or rule errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.